everyone, welcome to meditation, Union of Three Hearts. This is our session 4. In this session, I will share with you the second step in doing the Union of Three Hearts. Second step is like that. We bring our awareness to Zhong Mai. What is Zhong Mai? It's a central meridian. I guess everybody has heard the meridian. In Chinese medicine, it is quite well known. We have 十二正经 和奇经八脉. 十二正经, the 12 main meridians, and 奇经八脉, the accessories. Well, maybe you have never heard Zhong Mai, the central meridian. In the second step of doing Union of Three Hearts, we will use the central meridian. To make it short, we could imagine in Earth, this living body, the North Pole and the South Pole. If inside the Earth, on the inner side, you make a straight line, that is the most important connection on Earth, right? That's like the mother meridian. So the central meridian is like the mother meridian for all 12 meridians. If central meridian has no disturbance, no shortcoming, everything flows. The qi flows very well in central meridian. That is beneficial for the other 12 meridians. Now, let's practice this step. Use your visualization, use your awareness, use your mind to direct the qi to travel. First, we will talk about the location. In the second step, you will bring your awareness to Dantian and Niwan. Niwan is at the intersection of your head. Which intersection? Under your Bai Hui. Look, the center of your head. Under your Bai Hui, behind your third eye. Imagine if from Bai Hui down, from third eye back, there, when they cross, that intersection is your Niwan. Well, you can visualize your Niwan is like a ball, a light ball. Your Dantian is like a walnut. Well, I think in reality, like walnut, you can make it larger. In the practice, you can make it like tennis ball or even an ocean of qi. That's your Dantian. This is your Niwan. Zhong Mai, the central meridian, it connects your Dantian with your Niwan. This guarantees your life. Niwan, in the session of Zhongtian movement, we talked about it. What's the function of Niwan? Yes, our spirit lives there. So when you use your awareness to direct energy, your qi going up, the qi can nourish, the spirit can nourish Niwan. Qi go down to connect your life and your spirit. This is the purpose of second step. Let's begin with Zhongtian movement. Relax your entire body. bring your awareness to Zhong Mai, the central meridian, which is between your Dantian and your Niwan. I will guide you, especially to show you the speed. Everybody, please bring your awareness to Dantian. I will use my hand to show you the movement of qi. Your mind guide qi goes up inside your central meridian. Come up to your Niwan. Pause there for a while to nourish your Niwan. Allow qi to nourish your Niwan. And then slowly guide your qi go down. You don't need to imitate my hand. My hand is only showing you the speed. When qi goes back to Dantian, no stopping. Again, use your mind to guide qi up. Qi is like cleansing your central meridian. So the meridian is clean and clear. When your awareness comes to your Niwan, always pause it for a while, at least 2 to 3 seconds. Da, da, da. And then qi flows back along the Zhong Mai, back to your Dantian. Always at Dantian, no stopping. There is a tip. You may want to use your breath. For example, inhale to guide qi up, up. Some people have short breath. You can exhale about here, and then continue inhale, inhale, inhale to guide your qi to Niwan. And there, breathe naturally. And most of people can use one exhale to bring qi down. But I have to say, for some people, thinking the breath and coordinate that with the movement of qi is a disturbance. They feel to think about the breath that bothers them. Well, then you shouldn't try that way. The breath is not a must. It's only a helping tool. So only if that helps you, you use that. One more time. The awareness brings qi up. Qi nourishes your Niwan. And always when we practice meditation, remember, qi is not alone. Love moves with your qi. Down. That joy. It's like qi is doing the cleansing. Qi is massaging the central meridian. So make everything flow. How many people can massage your inside? People can massage you, do the cleansing outside. How many can do it inside? No one. No one can help you to clean inside. Only yourself. How nice. So you enjoy the practice. You make the practice meaningful, delightful. That is your ability. Okay, so if you feel this step very nice, please continue. Otherwise, we finish the session with Zhongtian movement. I recommend that you build in your meditation practice into your daily life. Really make a schedule. If you like to do it in the morning, then every morning. If you want to ask me how long, I would say, why not starting from 10 minutes? You just get comfortable, sit there, get used to sit quietly. No matter you practice the preparation of Union of Three Hearts or the first step, or like now, we are doing the second step. Why don't we just start with 10 minutes? Yeah? So little by little, when you enjoy it, automatically you do it longer. Thank you very much for joining us, and see you in next session.